This is Scott the Fix-It Guy, and today we're going to be cleaning this front load washing machine. This is an LG. We're going to use the Fresh product. These are really good. Maybe doing this about once a quarter is a good idea because it can get your machine a lot cleaner, and if you're having trouble with a bad smell or maybe some mold buildup, these things will help. So we're going to go ahead and power it on. We're going to go, and this model has a tub clean setting, so we're going to go over to tub clean over here, and this will be a pretty hot cycle. Go ahead and open this up. We just throw this tablet inside the tub. It's kind of like a bleach product, but also a nice smell. Press start. And what it does is going to get this very clean, bleachy, nice disinfecting product throughout your entire machine. It's going to get in there where the boot is. It's going to get inside the tub. It's going to get on the other side of the spin basket where all the black mold can build up. So this will be a really good thing to do. Again, about once every 3 months, and it can keep your machine working and lasting a lot longer, and you can avoid getting that moldy smell in your clothes. The other thing, of course, is that when you're not using the machine, it's really important to keep the door open at least a little bit so there's airflow, and that makes a huge difference. And also cleaning the rubber boot, especially down at the bottom, is good. You can just use some bleach. But the idea is to try to get these machines and keep them as clean as possible. So we're just going to let that run. On this machine, it's saying it's a 2-hour and 8-minute cycle, but I think that's also maybe incorporating a drying phase, because this one's a washer and dryer, but probably on your model it'll be less than an hour. But it's a really thorough cleaning. It's going to agitate, it's going to spin, and it's going to use the hottest water possible. So hopefully this will help you guys. We just got this Fresh pack from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. And these things work really good. You just throw them right in the tub. All right, so I hope that helps you guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you get a chance to subscribe so we can send you some more videos each week. Thanks a lot. Watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com.